Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to format the SD card on this phone. First we need to open the settings on our phone. You can do it by swiping upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, and once you open the app menu you can scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the storage and tap on it, and here you should see the storage page, and on it you should see some information about your storage. Now tap on this icon or maybe the text right here to open the drop down menu, and you have two options: this device, so basically the internal storage, and the SD card. Select the SD card option like this, and this should switch to the SD card, and you should see more information about your SD card right here. Now you should see this icon right here in the top right corner, more options icon. Tap on it to open the menu, then select the format option and then tap on the format SD card to confirm. As you can see now, our SD card is being formatted, so let's wait until it's done. And once it's done, you can tap on done button. And now when you open the storage SD card, you will see that the SD card was formatted. And we can close the settings. And that's how you format the SD card on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.